We have use cases of, okay, Moondev's kind of being autistic over here, saying code is a great equalizer, code is a great equalizer. You can build anything. If you get down bad enough, you can build anything. If you know how to code, you don't know how to code, okay, go learn how to code, because then you can build anything. Oh, you want to quit your job, you want to earn 6 figures, okay, learn how to code. Oh, it's too hard. Yeah, it was too hard for me too, dude. I love seeing stories like this because it just reinforces my thesis, my hypothesis that code is the great equalizer. If you learn how to code, you separate yourself from everybody else. And now we have AI that can help us build anything. My God, let's watch this video and see how he did it. Then we're going to break it down.
The first generative image model.
I'll try to pull all the alpha out of this, and then we'll break it down and we'll start building. If you don't know how to code, YouTube is free, dude.
AI model. And I started playing with it. You could install it on your Mac. Somebody forked it and made it work for MacBooks. So I downloaded it and cloned the repo and started using it to generate images. And it was amazing. I found it on Twitter because you see things happen on Twitter, and I would post what I was making on Twitter as well. And you could make any image. You could write a prompt. So essentially, write a prompt, and then it generates a photo of that or image of that in any style. They would use artist names to make a Picasso kind of style and stuff. And I was trying to see what is it good at? Is it good at people? No, it's really bad at people. But it was good at houses. So architecture, for example, I would generate architecture houses. So I made a website called thishousedoesnotexist.org, and it generated they call it house porn in that one. House porn is a subreddit. So and this was Stable Diffusion the first version. So it looks really, you can click for another photo. So it generates all these kind of non-existing houses.
It is house porn.
But it looked kind of good, especially back then.
It looks really
now
good.
Things look much better.
Wow, I just built the most amazing workflow
Easy,
on
buddy.
money.com.
That was real early. Really early.
That's really, really well done. Wow.
And it also generates a description.
And you can upvote. Is it nice? Upvote it.
Yeah.
Man, there's so much to talk to you about. The choices here. It's really well
This is
done.
very scrappy. In the bottom, there's a ranking of the most upvoted houses. So these are the top voted. If you go to all time, you see quite beautiful ones. Yeah. So this one is my favorite. The number one. It's kind of like a.
How is this not more popular?
It was really popular for a while, but then people got so bored of it. I think because I was.
So he's talking about generating AI houses.
Getting bored of it too, just continuous house porn, everything starts looking the same. But then I saw it was really good at interior, so I pivoted to interiorAI.com, where I tried to upload first generate interior designs, and then I tried to do there was a new technology called image to image, where you can input an image a photo, and it would kind of modify the thing. So you see it looks almost the same as photo, it's the same code essentially.
Nice.
So I would upload a photo of my interior where I lived, and I would ask change this into a I don't know maximalist design, and it worked really well. So I was okay, this is a startup. There's obviously interior design AI, and nobody's doing that yet. So I launched this, and it was successful and made within a week made 10K, 20K a month, and now still makes 40K, 50K a month.
40, 50K a month. 40, 50K a month.